Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, the honorable, the adjudicator, the opposite team, the audience. Firstly, let's thank God Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for the blessing. Let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Nur Haliza Adam. I am as the first speaker of affirmative team from SMA Negeri 1 Simpang Kiri Subuh Salam. Ladies and gentlemen, in this beautiful morning, we have the motion of this debate is this house will arrange students in class based on their intelligence academic. Ladies and gentlemen, before we jump to the argument, let's have a same perception about student in class based on their intelligence academic. The APIS lecture team in Rahayu 2011 said students grouping is held with the intention that the implementation of teaching and learning activities in school can run smoothly, orderly, and can achieve the educational goals that have been programmed. The teaching and learning process can run smoothly because the teacher will find it easier to each at the same time. Hediat Sutopo in Prihatin 2011 state the basic empathy for grouping students, namely 1. Grouping based on preference to choose friendship or friendship grouping. 2. Grouping based on achievement or achievement grouping. 3. Grouping based on talents or aptitude grouping. 4. Grouping based on interest or attention or interest grouping. 5. Intelligence grouping or intelligence grouping. Grouping is usually done by considering the assumptions that students will develop optimally given an environment with the same academic ability. This is based on the other assumptions that very tall students will compete with each other. This competition is positive to stimulate achievement. Likewise, students with low academic levels will develop according to their potential. Another consideration is the right of every student to get the best service at school. Grouping is a way of providing the best service for students. Behind these assumptions, there is the view that class heterogeneity, students with high academic potential mixed with students with low academic, which cause high academics to not develop because the teacher will provide service that also can be applied by the lower students. It is clear from these views that school applies students grouping based on the application of law to teachers to carry out learning in accordance with the context of students. For smart student teacher who carry out learning with a higher standards and to other class, the teacher will do it with different methods according to criteria of students. Into the argument, I will give a reason why we should arrange students on school based on their academic intelligence. First argument is age determines the ability of a person. Some people argue that someone who is supported by age, the more he gets older, the more a person's brain power increases. That praise is very wrong, seeing the many professors who can have careers at a relatively young age. Now the little two children who have above average abilities at their age can say they play a lot. Like the boy from West Java, he got the leader of honorary students at the University of Waterloo, Canada, namely Dicky. At the age of 14, his speaking style is mature enough to be like an adult. He said his different abilities had been seen since he was a baby. Again, this example reveals if the answer is an indicator of one's abilities. Second argument, grouping students based on ability has no impact on social impacts. Here, with the grouping of children will get a different atmosphere. Nowadays, genius children are said to be far from normal. Why not? Usually a child like this only spends his time studying. So starting from talks, jokes, socializing, and habits will be different from other children who play more often. With this grouping, children like this can get friends in terms of talks, jokes, habits will be the same. Here is also a broad discussion topic. In this program, they are taught by experienced teacher and focus on their scientific fields. While refreshing, they will also refresh and discuss some things about science. With this grouping, children will also expose to friends with more mature talks and experience, so that with this grouping, rampant nationally and bullying can be overcome easily. The third argument, with this grouping, children can have careers quickly and easily. In this grouping, one of the main advantage is one step ahead, where they have a high level of knowledge will be given a different education than usual, one of which is to increase the distance education, so that in this way they become easier to quickly pursue a career according to their respective wishes. As an example of the case here, quote from www.brilio.net, in the 2017 new admissions, Gajah Mada University accept young student. Nida Akidatus, a student who was accepted at the Gajah Mada University Vocational School, majoring in diplomatry medical records, is only 15 years old. This photo previously followed the grouping of children based on ability. Since elementary school, the amount of formal education is only 9 years. An accomplishment, right? The students who follows the grouping and quickly completes his formal education will find it easier and faster to pursue a career to a higher level, such as being a young student and making it easier to work. This grouping of children has an advantage for those with more intellectual abilities because it can speed up the study period. They will also feel they belong in this grouping. Children who are able to achieve high records thanks to their efforts will receive the reward they deserve. This reason can also make a child not only spend his time playing and focus more on learning. End of argument. I will give a conclusion of this argument. Another consideration on it's the right of every student to get the best service at school. Grouping is a way to providing the best service for students. Behind the assumption, there is that a few that class heterogeneity, students with high academic potential mixed with students with low academic, which cause his academic to not develop because the teacher will provide service that also can be applied by the lowest students. It is clear from this view that school applies students grouping based on the application of love to teacher to carry out learning in accordance with context of students. Now here my argument. I proud to be stand in this argument. Last, I agree this motion about this household arrange students in class based on their intelligence. Thank you very much for your attention.